One of my favorite ways to slow down and unwind is getting out on the water, and this inflatable paddleboard from Tavilex has made it even more enjoyable for me. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and the first thing that caught my eye with this paddleboard was the design. I have the blue wave design and it looks so good. I love that it has its own original style. Right out of the box, it comes with the inflatable board, a convertible dual blade paddle, which is perfect for sitting or standing, a kayak seat that's so easy to install, a hand pump that inflates the board surprisingly quickly, a snap-in center fin, a repair kit, a safety leash, and also a waterproof phone case so I can bring my phone with me while I'm on the paddleboard. One of my favorite things is how portable it is, since it comes with a travel backpack. I also really like how stable it is. I'm definitely not a pro, so having a board that feels so stable made such a huge difference for me. So if you're looking for a paddleboard that's easy to use, comfortable, and gives you the option to sit or stand, and that's also so beautiful and original to look at, then this one is definitely worth checking out. And that's just my point of view.